are here at
We're at Downtown Disney, and today we are going to do Pluto's Pumpkin Pursuit.
we have to find all 13 pumpkins.
That's right, 13 pumpkins. So for right now, I'm reading it off of the official Disneyland app. From September 8th to November 1st, it's Halloween fun for the whole family. It is throughout Downtown Disney. There are 13 different pumpkins that represent characters that you find, and then it tells you where you can find them on the front here. And so you can purchase the map for $9.99. Annual pass discounts do apply, and you can purchase them at Acorn's Gifts and Goods at Disney's Grand California Hotel and Spa, Disney Home, Disney's Fantasia Shop, which is located at Disneyland Hotel, Disney's Pins Traders, Disney's Dress Shop, Wonderground Gallery, and also World of Disney, which we got ours at the WAD. And then you can pick up your keepsakes either at Disney's Pin Trader or World of Disney. You do not have to complete this in order to pick up your prize. You could actually even pick your prize right when you buy your map. But I'd say we're a bit old school, and we actually want to do the quest before we get our prizes. So should we go explore and see if we can find all 13?
I'll hold the map.
That sounds brilliant. Okay, let's go. Did you find one?
No.
Oh, I think it's just a glowing one. Aw, man.
No. It was that. It was that World of Disney.
So according to the map, it says that there's one inside
This place.
World of Disney. If I can focus in the inside. Okay, let's find it, girl.
I don't know if it's any of these, but
I bet we need to probably look up. Look up somewhere. Let's see. Did you find one? You think you found it? You think you found it?
I feel like yes.
Harper, I think you need to look up.
I did find it.
You did find it. All right, let's put the sticker on the right spot then. Okay, so who is it? Do you know who that is? That's Baymax.
It's famous.
Oh no, do we need a little help getting him off?
Yes.
Okay, hang on.
On World of Disney.
Right there. Good job! All right, let's go explore some more.
Never going to
Oh, that's pretty. Okay, let's go.
We're going. I found one.
You found one where?
There.
Oh. Oh, there it is. That's Moana? I'll be darned. I'm looking. Okay. So, we found Moana right at this one right here.
That where this stop is?
Nope.
Let's
That one's the Naples one.
go to Dress Shop Corner. Not actually called Dress Shop Corner. It's just this
Oh, sorry
little-
folks.
It's just this little corner, so I would like to call it Dress Shop.
Okay. Well, the dress shop is right up there.
Dress Shop Corner is right over where?
I bet they're going to try to trick you and put it with all the pumpkins like they did the other ones.
They are tricky. I wonder where it is.
Come on, let's look. Let's look. I bet it's probably in all these pumpkins right here.
Look for the dress shop, turn left.
Should we keep looking? Let's keep looking. You didn't find it?
This one has a pink one.
That's the same one.
The marketing. Does it say inside or out?
It doesn't say, but I don't see something in the window. Do you see anything in the window? Harper, look up. Look up. Mrs. Potts, you found her! Yay! Okay, remember to always look up, okay? You might be hiding somewhere sneaky. That's what's a pretzel. Yep, babe. Okay, watch out for these people, please.
I know there's not up there.
No. Might be outside.
Outside.
Maybe it's over there. There's pumpkins over here, Harper. Yeah. Crazy.
Glass slipper.
Well, let's go this way.
Okay, so we're going to Sunglass Way.
Oh no, that one's back that way. Let's keep going this way.
Okay,
Let's see
so
what we
we're
can find.
going back to.
No,
there?
we're just keep going this way. See what we can find this way.
Okay.
It was tricky at Wetzel Pretzel. We couldn't find it over there.
Uh-huh. It was way too hard.
Okay, Disney home location. Don't see one on this window. Although actually one is supposed to be right here at this play soccer, it says.
Inside.
Probably. Oh, I see him.
Oh, there it is.
Look up.
I found it.
Hello. Good. That way. Oh, that construction is loud. Okay, so it wasn't in this window of the Disney home, but let's try the next one. Well, that's adorable. Must be inside. You found it? Let's go see. Good job, Harps. Yeah. Yeah. Is it in their windows? No, it must be inside then. I think you need to look up.
Look up.
I know, I saw it.
I'm a genius.
Yeah, you is. Would you like some assistance? Okay.
Sticky.
Explore some more. Watch where you're walking, babes. All right, let's go. Oh, you want? Ooh, I see it. Look up. Did you find it? Who is it? Pinocchio. Pinocchio. Okay, hold on. Here, hold your map. Hold your map.
Yeah, we already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more.
Okay, it's across the street.
Stars.
Yep. Gotta go like around though.
That looks like a little dangerous.
Yeah.
Yes, but you have to.
Hello. You found it? Oh, you should have known that would have been here.
Yeah, I knew this one.
You knew it?
Here.
Yeah.
That is the
How many more do we have left?
4 more.
4 more? Okay, let's go back to where we came then. Let's go. You found? I know, he just told me. Oh my goodness. It's even your favorite. Hiding.
We're going to Sunpass Icon, which is pretty cool. And, well,
Yeah, let's go.
Sunpass Dubai.
Oh, you didn't have to go inside.
Oh, that was easy.
That was super easy. I don't see any up there.
Are you sure it says? Are you sure it says that?
It says Earl a Sandwich. I see it. Come here. Okay, look up. Look up, up, up.
Mickey!
Mickey!
I told you.
You didn't tell me nothing.
I told you.
Hard. Harper, look at the store. And look up as high as you can. Do you see her?
Yes, I found her.
That one was hard. Help you with your ears there, babes. Last one. Awesome. Should we go turn it in? Okay, let's go inside. I think it's over here, babe. I know, that was hard. I know. Okay, I think we go to this lady right here. Which one would you like? Thank you so much.
So what is it? We finished all of them and we got my little juicer
Your little cup. Which one did you choose?
mini. And well,
Did you have a good time?
yeah. This one was the hardest.
That one's. Oh, you know who else was hard? Was the Wetzel Pretzel one.
Yeah.
That was hard too.
I think most of them were easy, but 2 were hard.
Amen. All right. In the meantime, I'm Courtney.
This is Harper, and bye for Harper and Courtney's Disney's Adventures. Bye.
Bye.
Now let's go get some food. Let's eat, Mom.
Are you that hungry? I got some oranges in my bag.
Let's eat.